What's going on, guys? This is the how to, my little boxing tutorial here. I did enough normal blocking and stuff, normal blocking tutorials. Now it's time to do jab blocks. It's when you have an open palm like this and you're in the middle of a fight and you block jabs. I'll show you an exercise to do that. Anyway, we're going to be doing some simpler combinations today, along with the jab block, open palms. And then, you're just basically to do these kind of exercises, you're just going to start off very small. You're going to start off with a few punches. Just a few punches. Don't tire yourself out or struggle because you're going to be doing the exercises over and over again. You're just going to start off with a few punches, then you're going to do that a nice amount of times a day. After that, the first week or two, you should notice some drastic improvements. You'll be able to go longer, and your punches will be lighter and faster. After that, you just continue training until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. Now that you know that, I'll show you these boxing exercises. You can follow along, try to follow along, start small. They might be pretty hard at first, but they'll become second nature to you the more you do them. And let's get started. Remember, guys, we're going to be doing some simple combinations. I'm going to be doing southpaw because if you're right-handed, you could do it right and try it in your right hand stance if you want. But I'm southpaw. I'm not southpaw. I'm right-handed. I'm actually right-handed. But if you box or shadow box in your right-handed stance enough times, your body will eventually want to switch to southpaw, and that's when you probably should do it. Anyway, this is it, guys. Simpler combinations with open palm blocking. Let's do it. Follow along. Yeah, let's get back to it. Remember, open palm blocking, good to practice if you're, trying to block jabs and stuff. Now that you've seen my little demonstration, you're just gonna remember, start small, work your way up. After a while, you should be able to do it for a nice long time. Now we're gonna demonstrate some hooks, basic hook combination, left and right hook, right and left hook. guys, that's it for the hook combinations. Now we're going to demonstrate a basic uppercut combination. As you can practice, remember, follow along, start small, do them in little increments at a time, take breaks. Now we're going to demonstrate an uppercut variation. Alright. Alright guys, that's good enough. That's how you practice jab, open palm jab blocks, straight blocks, jab blocks. When it's jabbing, you could just open your palm, keep your palms open and block. When you're doing the exercise, a little bonus drill is you can move around your every time you go like that and you open your palm, you could take some time to move your palms around a little. If you want to mix it up a bit, that's a little bonus drill if you guys want to do that. Anyway, I'll demonstrate the straight combination again. I'll go, just as a bonus thing, I feel like I could do, for the hooks and uppercuts, I went pretty much as long as I could, but I think I could do straights for a while longer. We're just going to demonstrate the straight combination a while longer, just as long as I can go, just to really get it in you guys' head, you know, just to demonstrate it so you guys can follow along. Let's try it. Remember, you can move around a little bit. Remember, you can move around a little. Remember, move around a bit. Good enough, guys. That's good enough for the video. Remember, you can move your palms around a bit. Another bonus drill I recommend is doing some different combinations. I'll demonstrate a different combination. Try some different combinations too as well. Mix up the combinations. Mix up the combinations. That's a good drill to do for open palm blocking. mix up the combinations and stuff. That's a bonus drill. That's all you have to do, guys, for that drill. It's a good drill. It'll get you good at a lot of stuff at the same time, sort of. And, yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for now.